Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to switch Roblox account on phone. So in order to switch Roblox account on phone, you need to follow this simple steps. So what here you need to do is first thing first, open the Roblox application and log into your account. So once you're logged in, you could see that, or you have to understand that there is no such direct way to switch your account and fees in your Roblox account, like or unlike any other platform. So you have to do it manually. That means first of all you have to log out of your existing account, and then you could switch back to the already existing account, and that is the way you could consider it as a switching account. So click on the more button and then scroll down to the bottom. There you have these switch account option. So click on it and you could click on add account option. You can click on log into existing account. Then you could go ahead and sign in using your account. And that is the simplest way you will be able to switch Roblox account on phone. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.